With the launch of the new iPhone today, we see an amazing device from Apple. And of course, most people who get one of these new devices are going to want a case and a screen protector. ZAGG is one of the companies that I like to look at when it comes to those kind of accessories. Looking at the screen protector from ZAGG, it's now with PerfectFit technology. And the way that works is it means it's going to fit perfectly every time, and it's really easy. As someone who's installed probably 7,000 or 8,000 screen protectors over the years and probably screwed up at least 5% of them, let me tell you, having something like this technology to make it fit perfectly makes a lot of sense. You just go ahead and clean your screen and just place it into this device and, put a little pressure on it for about 5 seconds, pull the tab, and guess what? You now have the perfect fit on your screen protector, which is just great. And by the way, it comes in, clear as well as with privacy filter or 4-way privacy. So you really have some choices. When it comes to cases for your iPhone, ZAGG also has some great options. The Rainier case is a great choice with 22-foot drop protection. And the way it's made is really cool. It actually has multiple layers. So you have the back, you have the frame, and then you also have a piece that goes in the front that just snaps right on. So even though you're going to use a screen protector, this is going to be a lip that's going to protect everything. Plus it's got that kickstand, and the camera control, of course, is still there. It's just a great idea from ZAGG, and it's really a great choice for anyone who wants protection. For everyday use, the ZAGG Crystal Palace case is a great choice. It's nice and clear. You can see the color of your phone, which is great. It's got this technology that means it's not going to yellow, so the color isn't going to change. 13-foot drop protection plus reinforced corners. Of course, it's got the scratch resistance and the MagSafe technology built in, plus it's got that kickstand for both landscape and portrait viewing, so it's very easy to use that way. And of course, the textured grips on the side plus the camera control makes it a perfect fit for anyone who wants a new case for their phone. For those who want a little bit more color in their life, the Santa Cruz case is a beautiful choice. It comes in a variety of colors, still features that same kickstand like all the other cases, MagSafe technology, so you don't have to worry about charging it. Easily done with the MagSafe. Plus, it's got textured grip. The camera control buttons are clear, easy to use, and it's got a great look to it and just a beautiful color scheme, so you can choose the color that's best suited for you. Of course, this is just a little taste of what ZAGG has to offer, and there are multiple new cases and accessories that are being launched today. I would encourage you to take a look at their website at zagg.com and see if you can find the right case for your new iPhone.